Hey yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Chad once again bringing y'all another video. This is going to be another car video. Today I'm going to be installing my aftermarket brake light on my 2022 Subaru WRX. Basically, if you're looking at the back of it, it's going to go right here. So this piece, sorry my car is dirty, I need to actually probably wash it, but this piece right here serves no purpose. So I'm just going to take that out and put in, this is a let me show you, hold up. This is my aftermarket brake light by Noble Performance. As you can see, Noble Performance, they give you everything you need. It's basically like a plug and play, just plug it in. They gave you like the little harness and everything, the bolts, as well as this. So I'm going to just go through all the steps with you guys as I install it. But yeah, I got the smoked out color, so that way it's not too noticeable that I actually have a brake light right there. They have ones that are clear, white, everything else like that, but I got this one. And then once I'm done installing it, I'm gonna show you guys each step and everything like that. But once I'm done, we'll see how it looks. And yeah, you know, I finally get to customize on my car because I never had a car I could customize, so we'll really see how this goes this time. But yeah, let's get started. All right, man, so first things first, we do have to get the brake light out. And in order, hold on, there's a plane flying. Yeah, so we do have to get the brake light out. And in order to get the brake light out, there is a screw right here that we have to take out. And then we got to pull out this little plastic piece and then take off that. So got my screwdriver here. Let's see. Charges. There we go. Finally, bro. So yeah, you take that out. Then what we're gonna do is we have to take off this plastic part. So just trying to make sure I didn't break anything, yo, because if I broke it, then that'd be one thing. But yeah, you get it out, and then once you get that piece out, right there, I don't know if you can see the two screws. Yes, so right there, you're gonna take these out too, so that we can take off the brake light, and then you're gonna re-put everything right back in afterwards. So let's see if we can take that out now. Hold on. All right, man, so I ended up having to get this because I don't want to strip the screws, because you know that's just already not a good idea to strip the screws. There we go. So that's one. Put that there, inside the car. Alright, that's number two. Make sure you leave all your screws near the same location, so you know where everything is. So as you see, I took out one, I took out two. So now we're gonna take off the brake light. Let's see here. Okay, cool. So now that this is off, let me see here. I'll leave that there. So now right here, let me actually move the camera so you can see. So let me make sure you guys can see. Yep, you can see. So this right here, all you do, there we go. Whew. Disconnected. And as you see, like I said, it is a little clip right here for plug and play. Could you guys even see? Yeah, you can see. This is the piece that connects to your brake lights. Hold on. All right, you guys. So with the Noble kit, you have this cord right here, which is the part that's going to go down. So you're going to feed this down in here. And once you feed that down, you're going to use your other Noble kit, which has the part that connects to the feeder part, this part that connects to your tail light, and this part is going to connect to your tail light as well. So this will be plugged into here, this will be plugged into here, and this will be plugged in. I'll just show you so that way it'll make more sense. So first off, what we're going to do, plug that in just like so. Then I'm gonna come over here so you guys can see this end right here, not this end, because you don't want your wires to melt, you know, down there. So right here is like a little gap. You're going to feed this down here. Yep, so you're gonna feed that down. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect this to there. And it should be pretty simple with the clips and everything that you're gonna see. Then for your actual tail light, you're gonna connect this to your actual tail light. And make sure you guys do it to where the part that connects is like the clip. So like this clip is facing the whole of your tail light, you know, the clip. So then we're going to push it into it. You heard that click? You heard that click? That's what you need. Then you're gonna put everything back in here and make sure on the side, you see this piece right here? This goes into the little clip that's on the side. So if your clip comes off, just put it back on that side. We're gonna put everything back inside of here. I don't need nothing going wrong. All right, as long as that clip got in there, and then we're good. So now I'm going to reinstall the bolts. So I'm gonna put the first bolt back in its spot. Put the second bolt back in its spot. And I'm guessing, so since I'm going right, all right, it's good. All right, then we got to install this back wherever this goes. So I think it went right here. Yep, I think that's in there. And then we're gonna take the pin, easy. So now that we have, that was a lot. I'm not gonna cap. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but since this is, like I said, this is my, hold up. Since this is my first time, you know, customizing or anything, you know, having to find the right tools and stuff to do this makes it a lot easier. So I did use this. I'm not even sure what this is called. I just know that this is what I needed when I saw what I was doing, because like I said, I don't want to strip the screws just in case I do want to take that off one day. Like if I say I don't want this aftermarket brake light, I do want to just take it off. But now the hard part underneath the car, let me see if I can show you guys. See these right here? This, it's hard to do it with the right there. That one, that one, and that one. You're going to take those out, go underneath the car, get the cord that we fed down, and you're going to basically connect everything. Now for this part, I'm gonna try my hardest to try to see if I can show you guys. If I can't show you guys, I'm gonna still try to show you guys, so just bear with me. I'm gonna try my best to get the video so you guys see what I'm doing. But yeah, that's the next part, so we'll go ahead and get started with that. All right guys, so I'm gonna try my hardest to show you guys me pulling out the push pins. It said take a flathead screwdriver. That's one, as you can see. Where's the camera? There it is. That's one. And then we're gonna take out the other. That's two. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once you have those out, I had to reach up in there and grab this cord, the part that we fed through, just to show you guys what part I'm referring to. This. I had to reach up there and grab that because it didn't feed all the way down, but it's cool. I mean, I was able to do it. And then now I'm just trying to take out this piece right here. All right, so for this piece at the top are like clips that you push out and on the bottom, so you just push it out and it just come out. And then now I'm going to install the other brake light, and I'm gonna try to show you guys. I think you guys can see right in here. See that clip right there? That's the part that was sticking in. But I'm gonna show you guys us putting it in the back. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Before I really completely forget, there's this little piece, and on the side wall you're gonna put that piece on before you actually want to put anything else in. Yeah, to show you guys this hole right here, you're gonna put this in there with this clip piece facing this way. So I'll show you guys. There we go. Just like that. Goodness gracious. Alright. Now that that's in there, and as you can see if I zoom in a little bit. Alright, then you have this harness. It's gonna go inside just like how I have it here. So these, I think, go underneath the piece. Let's see. Like so. All right, then I'm gonna install this push pin over here in that hole that's over there. So let me get back up underneath the car and plug that in.
It goes in like this. You just push it.
All right, yeah, that's it then.
Yeah, you gotta open the push. You put your push pins back in. These, and you open them up. They're gonna go backwards. You're gonna pull them all the way out like that. So when you stick in the hole, they'll go up. Or you want me to put them back in?
You can put them back in if you want to.
See, it's gonna be just like this. Now they're ready to go. You can't push them in.
I just realized that afterwards.
I'm gonna move these out the way so you won't step on them.
Is the video still going?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna put the light. We're gonna put the light in there, and then once the light is in, you're gonna attach your bolts to the holes. And just to show you guys from the inside. These are the bolts I screwed in. 1, 2. 3. Push pin 4. And then you got the actual wire. And then now we gotta get the zip ties and zip tie it onto the car so it doesn't mess up. And I threaded the zip tie. I don't even know if you could see it really, but right through here, right there. And then I got the cord here too. The zip tie job I did, if you can see. So I tried to push this kind of like up through here, so that when you bring this up, it sits flush. It's not like the wires are there or anything. It's just like that for the actual push pin. But for the most part, yeah, it's zip tied in right there. So yeah, and it's plugged in right here. Everything right there. Zip tied, zip tied. And yeah, pretty straightforward, really. Let's go put the push pins back through. All right, so now that we zip tied it, we're gonna put the push pins back in their respective slots, as you can see here. Now that that's all finished, the process is all done. Now we're gonna take the little sticker off the thing. There we go. And like I said, I got the smoky color, so that way it's not too visible. And yeah, so that's the flashing setting, and that's what it looks like when you're just braking. So I'm going to turn off the flash setting, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like just on. So yeah. Hey yo, thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you have any comments down below. This is the Noble aftermarket brake light, the smoke version. They do have a clear and everything, but I want it smoked just so it's low key. But yeah, you can see it all lighting up. And yeah, it's been your boy chatting them out. Peace.